today is translation of two-dimension shape. Whenever we are translating any of the two-dimension shape from one place to the another place, then few of the facts we have to remember, like if we have one of the two-dimension shape is over there, and then we have to, and then we are dragging that figure on any other place like this. So this is the original figure and the name of the original figure must be the object, and when we are dragging that figure to any other side, maybe on the left side, on the right side or on the right side or the left side, upward or in the downward direction, then this phenomena is called the phenomena of translating two-dimension figure. For example, if the figure is A, B, C, and D, and this is an object, and then we are translating that figure on the right side, then it will call image. So the coordinate must be changed from A to A dash, B to B dash, C to C dash, and D to D dash. For example, the coordinates were x1 and y1 for A. Now after translation it could be x2 and y2 because they have changed their position from one place to the another place. Like previously the point was there and now the point is here. So A is an original point and the point that is we are dragging from one place to the another place, that is A dash. So what is the phenomena that is making one figure object from the image? That is called the column vector. What is the column vector? Column vector is basically the spatial type of the instruction by which we are changing our object into the image. For example, the column vector can be written as A and B. Column vector is a special type of the instruction by which we are changing the object into the image. For example, we are saying the coordinate of A is 2 and 3, and we are translating by using the column vector 5 and 3. So what we have to do, we have to just add the x coordinate of the column vector with the x coordinate of A and the y coordinate of the column vector with the y coordinate of A. So how can we say that? That it should be 2 and 3 plus 5 and 3. So it will be 2 plus 5 and 3 plus 3. Now we have a translated point of 2 and 3, that is 5, 6 and 7, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is the phenomena how can the column vector is going to be changed our original point by using the calculation. But sometimes we are having few of the facts when we are dragging the figure on a coordinate grid. So we are using few of the facts when we are having a column vector A and B. So sometimes A must be positive, it should be negative, the B may be positive or the B may be negative. Whenever they are changing their sign, their nature are going to be changed. When the A is positive, we are dragging our point on the right side on a coordinate grid on the x-axis. When it is on when it is having a negative sign, then we have to shift it on the left side. When the B is positive, we have to shift it upward, and when the B is negative, we are shifting it downward. So these are the facts that we are using when we are dragging the point on a coordinate grid by using a column vector. For example, we have one of the graph over there and we are having one point that is 4 and 0. The point is 4 and 0, and for example we have to change this 4 and 0 point by using the column vector -2 and 3. So when we are on a coordinate grid, we are not going to calculate like 4 minus 2 or 0 plus 3. We can drag it because -2 is saying we have to drag our point on a left direction 2 times, and 3 is saying we have to drag our point on a upward direction. How many times? 3 times. So what we have to do now, we have our point is this, and now we are dragging this point 2 times on the left side. So 1 time and the 2 time, this is the position of the column vector when we are dragging this -2 times, and when we are dragging it upside 3 times, it will be 1, 2 and 3. So this will be the point where we are having the translated point of 4 and 0 by using the column vector -2 and 3. So it will be this point. Now we are highlighting this point. This is image of this point and this is object. So we have done 3 of the points of 3 of the calculation or the discussion over there, that whenever we are translating any of the shape, the original shape is called object, and the shape that has been translated, that is image. The translation is due to the column vector. The column vector means the position that we are going to decide where will be the original point after the translation, and this is a calculation of original point to the translated point. Then we have few of the facts. When the value of the column vector is positive or negative, how can we drag the point right, left, upward and downward. And then if we are any of the coordinate grid and we are dragging the point by using the column vector, then how can we change our object into the image. So this is the basic introduction of translating two-dimensional figure.